If I say click a button, copy a video and make $30 to $60, yeah, it's right. And the best is that you can repeat this and make money again and again and make $100 in a few minutes. Yeah, it's right. And you don't require any skill and any experience and do not need any investment because it is 100% free and it's available worldwide to get paid. Just simple imagine nowadays you are doing hard work in your job and get paid a little amount, but when you use this method and get paid $200 extra in a day, what will do from this money? Comment down below. So it's possible and it's endless to spend this money. Yeah, that's right. So make sure you watch this video till the end and get a full guide to earning some extra money at home. So first of all, take a look at these Facebook videos, and there are a lot of videos that you watch on Facebook, so we are going to use these videos and get paid. So for that, go to your favorite browser and type motiondan.com. So now I show you how to create free account. Click on red button and sign up with email and put your first name and last name, email and password. Click on the sign up button. Boom, you have signed up. So right now, once you log in motiondan.com, here you can see a lot of video templates and you can look at the Facebook icon, so click on this. So right, we can use these Facebook video templates absolutely free to get paid. So these templates are 100% free to use to get paid. For example, we are opening this template and we use this for make money. So click here, edit this video. So when we click the edit this video, the motiondan.com will be. So for example, we open this template and we going to change this scenes and text. For example, head is a modern, we can change this text as finance. We change this modern to finance. So here you can see this is changed. So as that, we can change this all and make our own video and save it. So here we learn about how to make Facebook videos dynamically and very beautiful to get paid. So the second website is, here you can see a brand new freelance website, Quick and Gigs. Yeah, Quick and Gigs. This website going to pay us $30 to $60 per video. So you can see here a trusted websites are using this: PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Facebook and Unity. Yeah, you can trust here. This is a new branded freelance website. So here you can see here video animation. When you click this video animation, you will pop up a window. So here you can see his rate is $47 per video and his $50, $11 per video and $290 per video. Right, 2027. Yeah, here is a lot of ways to make money. So you can see here people are making more money from this new freelance website. So come here and click register. When you click register and you provide your username, email address, user type, buyer or seller, you select seller and password, confirm password, phone number and company if you have. Then click here register. Boom, register and make money from this newly freelance website where is competition zero. So don't wait and don't miss your opportunity. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel.